Hey everyone, this is Kushi Verma. Welcome back to my another video. So, as you know that I'm following the series of English learning journey in the sense my journey that I'm sharing and uploading videos of my journey from day first. If you don't watch these videos, you must watch this video and you can see the change in my English. Yes, I do believe in consistency a lot nowadays. Guys, I started my journey for two times. This is the second time. Before this, I started my journey in 2023, I would say. At that time, I was not consistent. I was like excitement. I was like in excitement. Okay, let's take a shot. At that time, I was capable to um, face camera, but I was not capable to face people. At the time I was just into listening and record myself. I don't practice anything else like speak with myself. That was just a time pass, I would say, in short. And to be honest, I was not consistent that time. That's why I left to record myself, and I left my channel because it was not growing. That's why. After some time, I realized that I should work on my skill first. Then we'll go to the other things. I really want to polish my English first, then try to do something different in my life. And definitely, I will do. I will try to do something different in my life because I'm learning this language and there are so many opportunities mm, on the basis of English. So yeah, definitely I will go with it. But I'm here today. I'm going to share one more trick tip that I am using these days. As you know that I am whatever I learn, whatever I'm using in to enhance my English, I just make a video and share with you. It's really helpful. I guess it's really helpful for you if you watch these videos. So you definitely get something different or something new because this is my experience. Whatever sharing with you, this is totally up to my experience. After that I share with you. Okay, what I'm doing exactly these days, I'm into ChatGPT. Guys, that I have just you know before some days I recently have used this application because one of not one of the person so many person who is learning this language, they suggested me that you definitely go with ChatGPT because it is really very helpful for you. So that's why I decided let's take a shot. So I just I just download this and try to use this. In this video, I am going to share both of the aspect of ChatGPT. Every single coin have two faces. Like what is the merit and demerits? Also, I want to share with you demerits of this. Guys. Okay, first of all, I'm going to share with demerit of this application that I observe. I don't know that people, what the people think, because every single person have their own aspects and have their own thinking. So according to my experience, I'm just going to share first the demerits of this application that I don't like. That is accent. That is accent. If the person who start from scratch, so I guess they has a quite difficulty to understand the language of this. Yes, that I faced. Usually what I faced is exactly some of the things which he told, which that application, some of the things which he told and which he said, I don't able to understand. Accent, I don't know which accent it a British accent or another anything else. I don't able to understand it properly. Because it is not use simple English, it is use something different accent. So this is the demerit if someone who starts from scratch. So I guess it maybe difficult to use it because they don't understand it properly as I am feeling. So this is the biggest demerit I would say. Sometimes I don't able to understand it what it want to say. Sometimes yes, I properly understand it, but sometimes it's not happen with me. This is, yes guys, I'm saying that this is my point of view, this is my experience that I'm going to share with you. Okay, let's share the merits of this application. Yes, it is also useful for you to improve your English as well. If you are, good at English, if you are able to understand, if you are capable to speak with others, so you can understand it easily. Yes, and it suggests so many beautiful vocabularies. If ever you search on it, it gives a reply in very nice way. So due to this, I would say this, yeah, it is also helpful for you. If from there you can improve your vocabulary, from there you can learn new words, you can get any idea if you want to do anything else, like in project, in your studies, regarding to your English, and anything else. It is really very best application, I would say. So I have recently started to use this application and try to speak and try to talk with it. Yes, again I want to say that sometimes it's helpful for me and sometimes it's not, because of the accent. I don't able to understand some of the words. So this is the whole experience of ChatGPT of mine. If you want to go with it, so I don't know that it may be helpful for you or not. This is my personal experience that I shared in front of you. So yeah, I also want to, also suggest to you, if you want to improve your English, so also you can go with it. And one thing more I want to say, that if you want to improve your English, if you want to connect, and if you don't have any partner, if you don't have any person to talk with you, so DM me. I always here with you. So this is enough for this video. See you soon in another video. So bye bye, see you, take care.